Yung magandang depensa at magandang opensiba for Team of NIS with 3 minutes and 28 seconds remaining. Parange susubok na rin pero hindi bumasket from the 21-foot lane. Mavericks Laya puts it up. Basketball count at may kauban pa foul. NIS 5 seconds on the shot clock. Huli ka boy! Hindi pwede. Number 9, AJQ. Pero nadulas yung batang AJQ, Arvin Cheros Quintano. Pelicano, supalpal na naman ng Josh Buenapion. 6 minutes and 10, AJQ!
Para sa first five ng ating Nara Integrated School, Quintano, Buenape, Bacolinaw, Lobo, and Ragay. Para naman sa Panakan National High School, Mahinay, Gabriel, Josie, Pelicano, Gakat, and Feliciano.
And this is a game, NIS laban sa team ng Panakan National High School. Kung sino pong manalo dito ay advance po sa ating championship game. All set, the ball is up, time is on, let's get it on, let's play some pro basketball. With 7 minutes and 45 seconds for Team of NIS, a jumper, good for 2 points by Ragay. Yung mga lumalaro po for Team of NIS at yung lumalaro rin na mga player for Team of Panakan National High School ay pareho pong mga player ng team ng Cois Nonoy here at Municipality of Nara. And yung mga player po na lumalaro for Team of Nara Integrated School at yung ibang mga player na lumalaro for Team of Panakan National High School ay pareho pong mga player ng team ng Cois Nonoy sa Municipality of Nara, mga teammates or mga former teammates. Naglalaban po for this basketball action for Team of Panakan National High School. Good for 2 points by Gakad. 5 minutes and 40 seconds. Number 9, AJQ, huli boy! Putback by Buenape, number 6. Number 30, Lobo. Good for 2 points by Lobo. 2 puntos yung muling pinalobo nitong batang Lobo. 5 minutes and 25 seconds. Big steal for Team of NIS, Nara Integrated School. Number 9, AJQ, battery cover. Pero 2 na yung nasa unahan para sa grupo ng Panakan. A jumper, 2-pointer. 5 minutes to go remaining for this opening quarter. Number 10, Bacolinaw, stolen by Pelicano. Number 12, on the go! Pero sinapal nitong AJQ, Arvin Cheros Quintano. All 6 point. 4 minutes and 50 seconds remaining first quarter of the game. Another 2-point basket for Team of Panakan National High School. 6. Parange, number 1, side step, puts it up and puts it in. 2-point basket by Parange for Team of Nara Integrated School. 3 minutes and 27. Takbuhan, agaw ng team ng NIS. Number 30, Lobo, Aliub, Buenape. Number 8, balik sa Buenape, floater, yes sir! Two minutes and 28 seconds. For Team of NIS, napakagandang depensa yung pinapakita ng grupo ng Nara Integrated School at magandang opensiba rin. 2-pointer by Laya. 1 minute and 18, 10 seconds shot clock at jumper. Not good for Kobe Piña, Florida. Pero nandoon pa rin yung magandang depensa for Team of Nara Integrated School. Mavericks Laya signing for Kobe Piña, Florida. Parage for Team of Nara Integrated School. We have only 10 seconds remaining time. Kobe Piña, Florida, cross court. Bibigay kay Mavericks Laya. Outside jumper. Bang! 3 points. 8-20. Standpoint. Ragay, number 2. Outside jumper. Doesn't work. Hindi bumasket for Team of Nara Integrated School. Number 13, Feliciano. Mahinay, here they go. Bang! Good for 2 points by Mahinay. With 3 minutes and 45, Laya from the top of the K-wall. Bullseye! 3 points! 1932. Patuloy pa rin yung magandang depensa at magandang opensiba for Team of NIS with 3 minutes and 28 seconds remaining. Parange susubok na rin pero hindi bumasket from the 21-foot lane. Mavericks Laya puts it up. Basketball count at may kauban pa foul. Basketball count against Laya number 11. Josh Buenape, put back, good for 2 points. Sige kay Josh Buenape, dampot nitong Cordova number 4, sending Parange, drive, put up, not good for Parange. Pero na-recover pa rin ng Parange, floater, itutuwid yung unang pagkakamaling nagawa Team of NIS. We have only time remaining, 45 seconds, Parange, put up, but call for unsportsmanlike foul. Call for unsportsmanlike foul.
Jersey number 9, charge for
number
unsportsmanlike foul.
23-46, jersey number 9, call for unsportsmanlike foul. Itong big boy ng Panakan dahil tao na po yung nilalaro, hindi na po bola. Kahit sa pag-ibig po natin tignan, bawal po talagang tao ay paglaruan. Kailangan bola lang po yung nilalaro, hindi po talaga tao. Call for unsportsmanlike foul for Team of Panakan National High School number 9. Yung batang tupi, siya yung napituhan doon ng unsportsmanlike foul. Kaya 2 free throw yung paparating sa batang Parange. First free throw doesn't work. Last in the final free throw by Parange. Good for 1. Plus ball position po to. We have only 8. Mahina jumper, not good. 23-47 for Team of Panakan. We have only 3 seconds.
Doblaska.
25-47. Bacolinaw to Josh Buenape. Josh Buenape, good for 2. Talagang napakalaking bata at tunay na mahaba itong batang Josh Buenape. Itong number 6. Pulion. Napakagandang pagkakasapan itong Josh Buenape. Gakad, putback, not good pa rin. 6 minutes and 10. Mahinay, good for 2 points by Mahinay.
Score po natin 49-27. Cordova pupukol na
49-27, Cordova, bullseye, 3 points. Steal for Team of NIS, Bacolinaw, 2 puntos. Itong nalis na naging malinaw para sa batang Bacolinaw for Team of NIS. Ito itong batang Buenape sa ilalim at sa loob ng pintura. Itong number 6, 4 minutes and 50. Tangunan, bang! Good for 2 points by Tangunan. Number 27, Lianzanas, not good. Hindi bumasket para sa batang Lianzanas. 3 minutes and 5, Mahinay, here they go! Good for 2 points by Mahinay, 30. Stolen for Team of NIS, Ragay, sending for Lianzanas, number 27. Good for 2 points, Lianzanas! Ganun na ganun din yung galawan ng Ayet Lianzanas ng barangay ng Antipuluan. 40 seconds, 38-62. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Feliciano, 3-pointer. Not good from the 21-foot lane. Mavericks Laya, laglag sa batang Ragay. Short. Number 27 or number 17, Cordero. Didn't work. Number 11, Gakad. Pero sinupalpal itong batang Josh Buenape, yung former teammate niya sa team ng Cois Nonoy. 7 minutes and 15 is stolen by batang Ragay para sa grupo ng NIS. AJQ, Arvin Cheros Quintano, sending for Lobo. Pang! NIS 5 seconds on the shot clock. Huli ka, boy! Hindi pwede. Number 9, AJQ. Pero nadulas yung batang AJQ, Arvin Cheros Quintano. Pelicano, supalpal na naman ang Josh Buenapion. 6 minutes and 10, AJQ! Good for 2 points by AJQ.
Cross to the midline. Pass to Jupin to the center, intercepted by Lobo.
3 minutes and 25, Arvin Cheros, Ragay! Good for 2 points by Ragay. 6'1 or 6'2. Grabe nga pagkalaking bata. We have only time remaining, 3 minutes. AJQ! Arvin Cheros Quintano. And call for timeout for team of Panaca National High School. Castillo. 41-78. Number 12, Vasquez. Pang! 3 points for Vasquez. Kwento ng last in the final quarter. Labanan po ng NIS laban sa team Laurente. Laban sa team ng Panaca National High School. Bakulinaw sending for number 4, Cordoba. 2-pointer. We have only last 20 seconds. Tuck on, number 25, short. Last 15 seconds. Fast break. Vasquez, couple of big. We have only 8, 7, 6, 5, 3 seconds. At dyan po nagtatapos ang ating labanang NIS laban sa team ng Panaca National High School. Advantage po sa championship game yung team ng Nara Integrated School NIS.